In this video, we share how to remove the headlight switch trim on the Porsche Boxster. It's relatively quick and only requires a flathead and a few Torx bits. Remove the headlight switch by turning it counterclockwise as if you're turning it off normally. Press in and turn it clockwise. It'll only do a half or quarter turn, but will then be pullable. Pull it out and use a flathead to press in on the tab on the connector to remove it. Once the headlight switch is removed, remove the 3 Torx screws around the perimeter, located here. Do not remove the Torx screw at the top middle. Once you do that, the trim comes right out. Reinstallation is the reverse, so reinsert the headlight trim carefully using a magnetic extension or magnetic bit. Reinstall the 3 Torx screws, and to reinstall the headlight switch, simply reinsert it.